My name is Nick Frederick, Vice President at Witech Excavating. This job is for Cooper Construction for XPO Logistics. It's going to be a cross-dock freight terminal. Brings in goods, transports them from one truck into another truck, and then to the next location. Overall on this project, we're moving over 100,000 yards of topsoil, 100,000 yards of clay, 250,000 yards of rock.
At the beginning of the project, for the stripping and clay X, we utilized our quad-tracks, which are MTS tractors with a MTS pan behind it. That was the most efficient tool in our arsenal for moving the topsoil.
Once we got the stripping done and we started the clay excavation, while they were blasting rock, it takes time to blast. So you're waiting on material. We wanted them to get a jump start so we don't have a hiccup and a slowdown within the project.
Once we got to the Rock X, we switched over to Cat 740s to load rock and also to feed the crushing unit.
The clay on this project was challenging. All the material sitting above the rock was really silty, sandy, wet clay. So that required a lot of pre-planning on our part. We chemically modified most of the soil, provided a good structural base. In this project, we're also drilling and blasting 18 foot of rock that we're utilizing as select fill for the job, structural fill. We're also utilizing all the blasted rock for base rock under the concrete slab on grade and under all the concrete pavement.
The blasting is unique for this project due to an old water main that runs parallel with the project on Route 30. With those extreme conditions, they need to be able to size the rock to a certain gradation for us, 6-, so that way it can be utilized direct from blast to fill area.
As we started at the west end of the project and we worked our way east, the rock got thicker, so they may only do 2 blasts a day. When they do blast, they give us forewarning, we get away. They'll start working their way to the north. As we excavate their rock they blasted, it opens the edge up for them.
The employees on this project are a lot of our key employees. They're very diligent, hard workers, and they perform to the best of their abilities.
We're really proud of the entire team here. This was Witech's first project where we were drilling, blasting, and moving this amount of rock. Everybody had to adapt to this environment since this isn't what we see all the time in the Midwest. But I know everybody here has done a great job in doing so. With this project, we're excited for the next ones. Having a rock excavation job under our belts of this size, we're excited to add this as a future service to our clients.